Hi guys, so today I'm taking you into one of the biggest malls in Africa. Yes, you heard me, one of the biggest malls in Africa. And maybe that is why it is called the Mall of Africa, because this mall is really big. There are over 300 shops in this mall and they are built on 2 levels. Also, this mall is built by a South African company, Atterbury Property Group, which is one of the biggest property companies on the continent. You would find so many international brands plus local brands in this mall. I mean, what you call luxury is right here in Africa, in your face. So let me give a quick fun fact. Do you know that there are over 2,000 malls in South Africa alone? Not Southern Africa, South Africa alone. 2,000 malls. It is safe to just call them the shopping nation because 2,000. So on this day, my sister and I went to look for or shop for some really nice things for some really special people. So we stepped into Zara first to see, and we didn't quite find what we were looking for, but it was just beautiful to see Zara. Yeah, I think this is my first time in Zara Mall physically. I just always shop online, but yeah, it was good to see.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way.
You know, I always say the bigger the mall, the more tempted you are to spend your money. There are so many beautiful things in this mall. You will just be tempted to spend money. And if you have it, trust me, you're going to spend it. So if you are coming here, just come with a fixed amount in your pocket because you will be tempted. So I wanted to buy some South African themed items, so I walked into this bookshop to see if I was going to find, but I didn't. But instead, I found some really cute stuff that I liked or that we liked, and we picked them. But this bookshop is very rich. I love it so much.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that.
Hello, if you're still here, please hit that like button for me. It goes a long way in helping my channel. Thank you. I'm waiting for you to do that. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So please tell me what you think the biggest mall in your country is. I would like to know. So tell me in the comment section. Thank you.
And if you could read my mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just here to announce to you again that this mall is massive. I did over 10,000 steps on this day, just walking up and down this mall. So I walked into this very cute store. They have all these nice, colorful custom pieces, and I picked one thing from them. Really, I'm going to go back to that store when I go back to Mall of Africa. They have the most amazing, beautiful pieces. Lord, this is the kind of cookware that I need in my life. I told my sister if she wants to buy me a birthday gift, she should just come here. I need those cookwares, like crazy. So I told you we are shopping for some special people, right? So we came into this mall, and because everything in this mall is handmade, I think so, everything is expensive. Like, I could not wrap my head around why one scarf is 8,500. I couldn't. It didn't make sense to me. But yeah, it's just, I don't know.
Into the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing.
Now to the most interesting part of the entire mall, the food court. Yes, the food court is at the center of the first floor. Almost all the fast food franchises can be found here. Yeah.
Farther away, wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So I got this for myself because I thought I deserved to eat, but truthfully, it didn't give what it was supposed to give. It didn't.
Caught your sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you.
I think it is safe to say that everything you need is available in the mall at whatever price point. If you want really expensive, you would find it. If you want cheap, you would find it. This is some people's local mall, so yeah, everything you need is here. And who is maybe without some home decor items? I just have to be here. This is the place I would rather be. This is the place I would rather be. I love home pieces. I just love it. There is nothing I can do about that love.
If you could read my mind, we cross this room tonight.
Thank you so much for coming to Mall of Africa with me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not. Say something nice in the comment section. Be nice. If you are not nice, do not bother because I'm just gonna delete the comments. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Till next time I come your way, I hope that you do well and God bless you. Bye.